Do you want to have a catastrophe? Go ahead. Go on a lake you're unfamiliar with and go wide open. Wreck your boat into a hidden island, submerge obstacles. Do you know how deep the water is in the real estate market? We know how to move around all the technicalities. We know the legalities, the laws, the customs. Right now, the fish are hard to find because it's a different season. The fish are going to bite on different baits, just like in different seasons of real estate. What are sellers going to be attracted to? Is it a time period where it's going to be more conditions like home inspections or cash buyers as opposed to different types of loan scenarios? Knowing which bait the fish, the sellers are going to bite on, how to reel in that big one, how to make it happen on your terms. You need to know what your terms are, and we're going to help you define that. We need to know your why, just like this fishing guide asked me what my why was. What is my goal? Is my goal to catch a lot of fish, or is my goal to catch big fish? And boy, we did catch some big fish.